What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Marcus the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. And I know it's been a while since I've done a video last. And I tell you, we've been busy. We've been growing. We've been expanding the business. And we've been running into some road bumps. So I'm going to walk you through what's been happening with the new office in Modesto and where we are today. Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel. When you're growing something big, it may not always go the way that you plan. However, when you're consistent about what you do and you're persistent in your efforts and you have a good, solid foundation to start, you'll be like us, all right? So what happens when you start in a brand new city and you turn over your entire staff in 4.5 months? It's exactly what you don't plan for, and that's exactly what happened to us. However, we stabilized everything, and through all of the learning curves, the trials, the tribulations that we've been going through, the main thing is we're getting calls, and we're getting calls. So if you got customers, it's hard for you to go out of business. Who'd have thunk it? So why do we choose Modesto, right? We're in California, and it's a natural progression to want to get the hell out of California. However, it's not always wise when you got something working well. So strategically, we're in Bakersfield and Fresno. The next major city is Modesto. Yeah, I know Merced's there, not quite there yet. It's Modesto. So we traveled to Modesto, we checked it out, and we saw the need for the area, and we filled it 100%. So one thing that we've done well to get service calls is we immediately jumped in, had a good website built, right? So as you know, it takes a while for websites to start to rank. However, when you don't have good quality businesses in the area, it doesn't take you long to rank the Google business. It doesn't take you long to show up in social media. Our Facebook posts show up, our Instagram posts show up, our Google business profile ranks 1, 2 very quickly, and we consistently do the things to make sure the signals show to the community. So we show our results. We show everything that's happening from an empty office to now a not empty office. I guess it's still empty. Depends on who you ask. But it was a difficulty expanding so far. We ran into issues when it comes to training. So part of that expansion is how do you keep the same culture when it's so far away, when you can't touch people, when you can't have conversations with people daily. So just like in Fresno, we continue with our daily huddles. The purpose of the daily huddle is to make sure that everybody's on the same page, everybody knows what their assignments are, and you get an opportunity to collaborate in the morning. So if something's wrong or something's going well or somebody has a problem, that's a 7-minute window to be able to share. So not 7 minutes apiece, 7 minutes for the whole company. Now, I'm a big believer of huddles in the morning, meetings weekly, and moving forward fast, quick changes. And that's what we did. Now, when it comes to finding technicians, again, Indeed, we got a lot of referrals, and you win some, you lose some when it comes to that. So that doesn't stop us. We even shifted away from Indeed as 100% into some other sources now to bring and find technicians. Okay, we stiffened up our training, we made it more rigid, and we even brought sales training into the organization. Hey, let's admit it. Appliance repair, plumbing, HVAC, all the trades in the service. If you plan to be in business, you have to understand that you are a sales organization. Okay, so we're not doing construction projects on our plumbing side. We're not going in and have a maintenance agreement to service equipment with large facilities and hospitals and things of that nature. We're coming in when people need us right on time, giving them solutions and options, and offering great quality service right now and discounts on repeat service in the future. That's the model. That's the way to be able to make people happy when you show up quick, on time, and it doesn't take you 3-4 days to show up when they schedule. Now, we're performing pretty well right now. We have some road bumps, ups and downs, but we understand what it takes to be successful in the area. When you have 3 technicians, 2 technicians, and you have a good mixture of warranty calls, property managers, and CODs, you're able to understand, okay, what kind of customer base do you have? And with our customer base, we're reverting back to what we've done always, majority CODs. We kind of got away from that a little bit at the beginning because we had major opportunities with some warranty calls, and it just doesn't quite fit our model. Okay, so we're a COD customer. We like to get the call, go out as soon as possible, have the customer understand that, hey, we're here for them, and give them the best solution possible to either fix or replace their appliances. Okay, wait, there's more. Well, now I guess there really isn't more than that. You don't want to overcomplicate this business. It is a straightforward business. When something breaks, you want to show up. You want to give them notifications, heads up, follow up on estimates every single time, so that way they won't forget who they called, why they called, and what they had repaired. Helped us tremendously was we had Cinergy already in place. So it hosts our websites. It's our all-in-one CRM when it comes to managing our client relationships. Okay, so with that, we manage our Google business profiles through it. We update and index all of our listings through Yext through it. We do so much in order to show and strengthen our presence. So as we get calls from Facebook channels, Instagram channels, wherever the lead source comes from, whether it's Google or Yelp, it all funnels into one place. The phone rings. It's a standard script that we have across all of our offices. And it was a good natural transition to be able to just start like it's a plug and play style model. Now, could I have done this without a CRM? No, absolutely not. So we're talking the first month heavy workload, well, maybe not heavy workload for some, but expectation wise, we hit 90 calls and we continue to grow month over month over month. That's why we had to expand to 3 technicians. And then that's where we got mollywopped, right? Because at the end of the day, our business models is CODs directly, and we did have a bunch of warranty style calls. I don't say a bunch, it was more 50-50, and now we're trending back to 70-30, and we're heading back to the 80-20%. That's where we feel most comfortable, and that dictates that we need 2 technicians and a plumber right now. So that's where we are in the area. Cinergy helps with that because we get real-time data, the calls coming in and out. We're able to track the calls, know how many are first-time, repeat calls, etc. All the calls are recorded for quality and training purposes. So, but if you do want to check it out, check out CinergyBiz.com, CinergyBiz.com. Okay. And overall, we're doing good. We're back on track, and we're going to end the year strong. Did we make any money? Hell no. In the red like a mug. However, if this last November and December continues at the pace that they're going, we'll be just okay, because most businesses don't make money the first year. And we got to consider it's only been 5 months since we've been doing it. If that, June, July, August, September, October, November, Yeah, 4 months. It seems like time has been going by super fast, but it's only been 4 months. But all in all, that's where I've been up to. I also did a plumbing conference, so I got another video coming out about the plumbing conference and what I did at the plumbing conference and how the Appliance Boss is about to turn to the Plumbing Boss. So watch that video coming up next. Peace.